Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to delete PayPal account on iPhone. You can do the same process on your iPhone or on your Android. On every platform, the process is exactly the same. Now, first of all you have to do is open your browser on your iPhone, open paypal.com and sign in with your PayPal account. You will be on your account summary page. From here, you have to click on the hamburger menu on the top left corner. From here, you have to select the gear or the settings icon on the top right corner. From here, you will be shown your account page. You have to scroll down a bit, just a little bit, and here you will see an option called Close Your Account. You have to select Close Your Account, and then PayPal will ask you some questions for security purpose that someone else doesn't accidentally delete your account. After passing the security questions, your account or PayPal account will be deleted, and that's how to delete PayPal account on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.